The journey of success in treasures and burial detection doesn't require a search for new land, but it requires attention to success and looking at things with new eyes. Based on that, Ajax presents you Gamma Device, the best and most advanced underground imaging detector in the world, which is specialized in Earth layers imaging up to 30 meters deep. Gamma Underground Imaging Device works with 3 advanced search systems, all of which work to photograph the layers of the Earth and reveal its contents of metals, antiquities, treasures, burials, infrastructure, empty caves, and all that is in the ground. Gamma is the perfect solution to know the underground secrets. 3 advanced systems and high-precision technology that helps you to obtain the target shape in the underground. First system, 3D Ground Imaging System. This system studies and analyzes the soil by sending radar waves. That will show a 3D drawing of the target shape, size and depth. To show the results, and the graph is either through the device's screen directly, or by using a tablet, or through the mobile application. This system is also characterized by giving an accurate depth to each step of the survey, and it can also be known whether the target is a precious metal or a worthless metal through the self-value icon of the metal on the right of the screen. The ground survey system is characterized by its accurate results, fast response, and multiple uses. Second system, Live Scan. It is a system with very high sensitivity, as it photographs the layers of the ground while walking and shows the results on the device screen directly with high speed and accuracy. The results appear on the device screen in several colors, where the red color represents the presence of the metal, the blue color represents the presence of voids, and the yellow and green colors represent the soil behavior. The third and final system, GradioSmart System, which works by gradiometer sensors, one of the most accurate and effective detection systems for metals. GradioSmart System detects minerals, voids, and alerts to their presence by releasing interactive sounds as soon as it passes over them. The GradioSmart System screen has 2 indicators, the first in red, where it interacts with interactive sounds only when the device is passed over a metal, and the other in blue reacts with interactive sounds only when the device passes over a void or cavity. Gamma is the best device for imaging the layers of Earth and knowing its secrets, and is the most advanced and modern in the world. Gamma is provided with 2 years warranty. You can get Gamma by contacting the Ajax sale department or any of Ajax distributors worldwide. Gamma, a new vision in the world of metal detectors.